Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing well while you're watching my videos. Today I'm gonna share with you a very easy pound cake, very easy to make, and you can see it comes very spongy, very soft, and it's delicious. As you can see, very spongy. I hope you're gonna like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my video if you like it with your friends and family, so that my channel can grow a little bit bigger. Thank you very much for that in advance. So today I'm going to show you the ingredients. We have 4 eggs in a mixing machine. I have 4 eggs. So I'm gonna mix them with 170 grams of sugar, a pinch of salt, and 170 grams of sugar, normal sugar. And we're gonna beat them in the machine for a while until it doubles in size and become like creamy. As you can see, so now we're gonna remove it from the mixer. As you can see, it's supposed to be like this. And we're gonna add 160 grams of flour and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. I'm gonna sift it straight away to the on top of it. So 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Just mix it all together and then sift it at the same time. And a teaspoon of baking powder. So just gently with the hand mixer, just gently from down up, mix it so that all the flour can be mixed with the eggs and the sugar. As you can see in the video, just slowly and gently. So in a different bowl, we're gonna add 40 grams of butter with 60 ml of cold milk. And we're gonna put them in the microwave to melt. I have 2 sachets here of vanilla. Or you can use liquid vanilla. Just mix it again gently. If you have liquid vanilla, you can use it. You can use it with the butter and the milk. You can mix it with them. So now gently, after the butter and the milk, the butter melted, you're gonna pour it onto the butter slowly, and then again just gently mix it together. As you can see, the oven is 170 Celsius. I'm gonna add those petit fruits. You don't have to add them if you don't have them. You can just leave it like that with nothing. And I have a bowl, like a mold, the long mold, the pound cake mold. So I put some butter on it and some flour. I'm just gonna pour it on it. Put it in the oven 170 until it's nice and cooked all through. That's it. So I'm gonna, if you can leave it like that, but I put apricot jam. As you can see, it's very soft. So while still warm, I have some apricot jam. I'm gonna brush it all over the cake, and then I'm gonna put some coconut, desiccated coconut. You don't have to. I just like the taste of the jam and the coconut. There you have it. Very simple, very easy, and it's delicious, and it's ready like in a few minutes. Very simple ingredients. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to share. Thank you very much for watching my channel. Thank you very much for supporting my channel. I hope you're enjoying this video, and I will see you again soon in my next videos. Bye.